They tell us as children, you can do anything you want in this world, right? You can be anybody you want, and the world is your oyster. Well, let me share with you. Certainty can be everyone's oyster. My name is Donald Roberts, and I'm the plant manager here at the Wilmington, California roofing plant with the Certainteed Roofing Division. Been with roofing for 10 years. Been with Certainteed for 37 years. And then I'm going to be retiring later this year. So started my career 37 years ago as a maintenance man pushing a toolbox. I continued to progress, and then 10 years ago I got the opportunity to join the roofing division, and it's just been a roller coaster ride and an experience that I'll never forget. It's been wonderful. And to go from just a farm boy coming to a manufacturing world to achieve what I've achieved, I'm so proud. Typical day, well, I got multiple tasks. Primary is, right, to take care of my people. And then what's the second part of my job? I manage the plant properly so that we're profitable, right? And we contribute to the organization. We're successful, but not just for me and my salary staff, but for every hourly employee and their families that are here at this plant. Our number one asset is our employees. And if you treat those employees with dignity and respect, it'll come back to you tenfold. January 11th, 2024, I fell out with a heart attack right here in this hallway. A couple of these gentlemen, they jumped up and right away rendered aid to me. They brought me back to life twice. The rest of the staff, they coordinated, 911 was called, the ambulance. Long story short, I woke up that afternoon in recovery and had heart surgery, and they got a second chance at life. And I could hardly wait to get back to work to tell those gentlemen, how do you say thank you to people that saved your life? Well, the best way I can do it is they are my heroes. I bleed Certainteed blue. There's nothing better than truly loving your job to where every day there's no problem coming to work. You're happy because you know that there's a longer road ahead of you as you want to advance in your career. There's so many opportunities within Certainteed organization here in North America. Throughout my career, right, we've taken young engineers, and I had plant managers tell me many decades ago that young plant engineers are future leaders of tomorrow. And they were. I've learned that because over the decades, we've seen how young engineers and what have you that come into the plant, they keep promoting up. Some of them become plant managers, some of them become CEOs. I've seen that. It's important to be happy in your career. It's important to pick the right company to go to work for. Certainteed North America, it can be your oyster.